Did you know that cars have some fascinating unknown facts? Let's dive into the world of automobiles.
From the fact that the average car has over 30,000 parts, to the surprising tidbit that the first car accident occurred in 1891, the world of cars is full of intriguing secrets.
Now let's shift our focus to BMW, one of the most iconic names in the automotive industry.
BMW, short for Bayerische Motorenwerk AG, has a rich history dating back to 1916. Did you know that BMW originally manufactured aircraft engines during World War I before transitioning to motorcycles and eventually cars?
And speaking of BMW, if you're a proud owner or enthusiast looking to elevate your BMW experience, look no further than KSACarParts.
At KSACarParts, we offer a wide range of genuine BMW parts and accessories, meticulously crafted to enhance your driving experience. From brakes to filters, engines to intercoolers, find everything you need to keep your BMW running at its best.
Upgrade your BMW with confidence. Visit our website today and unlock the full potential of your ride with KSACarParts.